Now, with as low as $1, I was able to generate over 150 to 200 page views naturally on my Google AdSense account. Now, before I log in and show you my AdSense earnings, this is King's Classroom. Go through my videos, you'll see my videos about my AdSense earning. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that on the next video you get more updates from me. Now, how did I do this? Let me log into my AdSense account and show you. This is King's Classroom, and we know what we do on our AdSense account. Let me refresh it again so that you see this is pure King's Classroom earnings. Now, how did we make this? Now, Google AdSense arbitrage and loading, or Google AdSense loading, is a way of simulating your traffic sources. It's a way we send traffic to our Google AdSense account to help us generate money. What am I speaking about here? You buy traffic from with low prices to make money on your accounts. Now, this is just my earning tutorial. We just received the payment last month. You can see how much I made today, you can see how much I made yesterday, and so forth. This month I made over $14,000 on my Google AdSense account. Now, if you want to learn this method, this is just my earnings proof. I would not post everything on YouTube because YouTube might tag some words down, and I'm not going to say everything here. You understand? YouTube does not like some of these terms. So if you want to learn more, of what we are doing here, I will drop my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. Feel free to send me a message if you want to learn this process on how we make money by simulating traffic. It's a very, very simple procedure. We buy traffic from Google themselves with some other added advantage to it to make money on our AdSense account. And this method is free from any ads limits, free from any accounts ban. Chat me up to learn this method. I'm coming. Before I go, let me refresh this account again and show you this is King's Classroom, and we know what we're doing here. And until next time, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Also know that I load YouTube AdSense accounts as well. So if you want Google AdSense accounts or YouTube, feel free to send me a message. So until next time, this is King's from King's Classroom. Bye bye.